Avalanche. There's something going on down there. Something always happens during the full moon. And there's cops there too. I think. Okay. The paramedics are going on the wharf. This is like magnified glass, huh? I don't really, they're on the wharf, I don't know what's going on there. The cops are there. They just arrived. Everything happens during the full moon.
Yeah.
And I'm not
before the full moon.
I don't want to burn all my batteries. Here's the moon right there. See it? Right behind there.
There it is. I told you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, you told me. I'm the one that told you. I guess I'm doing a video, not pictures. The last of the trees. Blowing the heads winds, those trees will be gone. I'll let you take pictures, but then I'm nosy. I want to know what's going on at the wharf. Focus, Charles, focus. Look, there's 2 police cruisers. I should run over there, but I want the full moon.
Well, it would take, what, about 45 minutes to walk over there.
How long? You don't know me too well.
Oh, okay.
Oh, me? Oh, 20 minutes. Well, I'm a frog, I can swim across. The water is so low, maybe you can walk.
Well, that's cool. I hear that red light's sprung.
Ain't that beautiful? But then I'm so nosy, I want to know what's going on down there. Oh, the ambulance leaving. The cops are still there. Focus, Charles.
Nice shot tonight, guys.
Oh, yes.
You're looking at what's going on the other side of the river?
Yeah, that too.
It was, there was a fellow, we were on the walking bridge. He was quietly fishing on this little boat.
Right out in the middle of the river, there's a little canoe with a little motor on the back.
Quietly fishing, and this great big boat came by, not looking where it was going, went right for the guy, right close to him, and tipped him over.
We were watching the guy in the boat, and I said, geez, he's getting awful close. Went right for him, and the boat turned at the last minute, swamped the guy.
Is that guy all right?
Well, he was in the water quite a while, and his boat,
maybe that's who it is.
went under. And
yeah, so he was in the water for quite a while, so the people in the boat that tipped him over, they ended up like bringing him on board and dragging his canoe, and they just went there. So we figured it's him who's getting onto the ambulance.
I always ask when there's going to be an accident on the river. And you mean the river wasn't low enough that he could just walk? So really?
yeah, pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
That's full tonight, is it?
Yeah.
Actually, it's tomorrow.
Oh, it's tomorrow?
Is it tomorrow? Oh, you're straightening me out on a lot of issues, you, eh? So that's why. When did that happen?
Well, we're just
15
coming
minutes
from the
ago.
bridge there now.
Ça a juste commencé. Ah.
No, he was probably about here to the pier. We were watching him, then we saw the boat come under the bridge. And, holy jeez! Great form, just turned. He was right beside him when he turned, just missed.
Wow.
And then the guy's boat just went poof.
So where's the canoe?
It took him a little while. They hooked it up somehow and dragged it behind. It was partially submerged, and they dragged it back. It had a little motor on the back.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So there's another fire engine.
Yeah. My God.
Yeah, that's a nice shot.
Now that's what's going on. How come I can't focus that now? I'll go too slow.